YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tanya, and I usually like to update in this channel about makeup, you know, outfit of the day, stuff that I buy. And this video is going to be a little bit different. As you guys may know, I moved to Florida. I still haven't bought a lot of furniture. I just really want to take my time and find the perfect piece that I want. I still don't know exactly what I want, so that's another reason why I haven't really bought anything. I moved to Florida on September, and we're here already like 2 months. We decided to move to St. Petersburg because my husband actually works around here, so he's like, it was more convenient to move to this area because he's like 10 minutes away. So far everything worked out. My son is in school. I have a 5-year-old, so I'm still trying to get back into the routine with working out, coming back home, picking him up, and like being a stay-home mom for now, and see how that goes. But eventually I'm gonna start looking for a job and just keep myself entertained. I did get homesick like the first month I was in here. I got homesick. I missed my family, missed my friends, going out, you know, just catching up with the girls, having some drinks. And one big change here is that over there, like, I had an option to, like, you know, if I wanted to walk somewhere, I could walk, or take the bus, or take the train. Here, everywhere you go, you just need a car. You need a car to get around. That's one of the biggest change here. Other than that, so far I'm not homesick anymore. It's been 2 months. I feel like I made the right choice to move here. I like the weather. Well, now I like the weather. When we got here, it was pretty hot. Everybody was telling me that usually the weather is not like that during this time. Like this year, it has been too hot. But now, like this weekend, for the first time, like we had some like nicer weather, like fall, like in the 70s, which is pretty good. I like it. It's not that hot. It's not that cold. It's like the perfect weather. And let's see, I am gonna be showing you guys around. Like when I just moved in, I'm gonna put some clips that I recorded with my phone. I'll have the apartment look empty. I did get some furniture, like for the living room only. I got a TV stand, and of course my TV, couch where we could sit, and some bar stools for the kitchen so we could eat there. I'm still trying to think what type of dining table I want, and like the chairs, I still have no idea. My bedroom and my makeup, my beauty room, I still have to buy everything. Basically, I just moved here with just my clothes. I didn't bring any furniture, and we just drove here. Like, I'm gonna show you like some little clips. Other than that, sorry that I haven't updated you guys. I haven't been posting videos, but hopefully now I'm just trying to get back to my routine. I'll be uploading videos every week, hopefully. And I am going back to New York to visit my family and friends to celebrate my birthday. I'm gonna be there in December 11th. So we're in the hotel right now. I'm leaving. We are in hotel. Say hi, John John. No. Why not? Booby. Hi, boo. He's stretching. The baby. Alright, so we're getting ready to leave the hotel.
Looking to the directions to the
John, you want to eat Dunkin' Donuts? No diner? No? So my baby Pluto is traveling there. Right now, Booby is waiting for 5 left, so he's there waiting for him. We're gonna try to make it today. Today we just moved in. We have no furniture yet, so this is what we're using. We got our TV, but we still need a TV stand. With Rosie. This is the before. And next you're gonna see the after. It's the kitchen. We just bought a mattress, but we need to get the frame. It's a mess. We still have to fix. This is Luna. She loves to play. She's so tiny. Oh my gosh, she's falling. Mama, you're gonna fall. So this is the couch that I got. And I went to Michael's and I got some yarn and I hand knitted this. And let me show you guys. We got this sofa and this rug here we got at Home Goods. My puppy's there. Peluche and Booby, they sleep all day. And this is the stand. Still have to take away like the little pumpkins that I got for Halloween. The TV stand we got at Wayfair. Let's see. This is here, the kitchen. This is the kitchen. I'll show you guys. Like the little things that I got. It's kind of messy. Got this little bar sign. I believe I got this at Target. And yes, this also I got at Target. And of course, my coffee mug. You know I love puppies, so I had to get something with puppies in it. And this I got in Marshall's. And the sign, I believe I got it in Hobby Lobby. Really cute. I'm still missing the sugar one. Hopefully I find it soon. This is the other side. I also got that in Marshall's. And this the spoon rest also. The knives I order in Amazon. The toaster also I bought it in Amazon. Let's see, this rug I ordered in Amazon too. It comes with two, that one and that one there. And these stools, bar stools, I also got them in Amazon. This little candle holder I got in Hobby Lobby, and the candle too. And that's all I've purchased so far, like for furniture wise. I'm still waiting for my dining table. I'm gonna put it here. That's the view. We do have a balcony. And well, yeah, this is it. We do have one room over there. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's empty. And we have another room over there, and the closets and the bathroom, but I will show you more once I have all the furniture ready. Where are we, Gian? Where are we?
We have to get more subscribers and subscribers and channels.
Wait, so we're doing a YouTube channel, me and you?
Oh, we're so excited. This is his first time here. Yeah. And jump.
Right now, and we're gonna have some fun actually. Let's go! We're going Wait, how do I take off my shoes, Mommy?
Say welcome to Gian's
Look at the
adventure.
Look at the I don't want to see it.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like and enjoy this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye.